Hey, where'd you go? Oh. Welcome back, guys. So content's gonna be a little bit slow. I'm going on a quick little ride. I'll see what I can make out of it. It might be a short vlog, but it's better than nothing. Yeah, so I still haven't got my fairings fixed. I ordered some new ones. They're gonna look very similar to these. I decided to go back with the OEM ones. I just love the look of my bike. That's really, I was gonna go with carbon fiber, but if I wanted real carbon fiber, I was gonna be spending like $1,800, if not more, and I really didn't want to do that. So the Monster Fairings has carbon fiber ones, but I looked up videos and like pictures of them, and it looks so fake. Like I'm not a fan of it, so I decided to just go with OEM ones again. So that's that. I haven't ridden in so long, and it feels so, ever since my last video, probably before that, but it feels good to be riding again. We're just heading over to Tristan's house. We wanted to, we're just gonna hang out a bit. I decided to ride there. I don't feel comfortable taking my bike on the freeway or anything, or going fast, because I don't want my fairings to fly off. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit low. Bro, I'm in the mood for some Suicide Boys. Too bad I can't put a card on my Pista. I can, but not comfortable from what I have been told. Oh, I missed it. I missed you, baby, even though you're slightly broken. I missed you. Yeah, I'm squidding today. I'm staying in the neighborhood, so I hate driving at the front of this neighborhood, bro. It's complete ass. It's so populated now to where it's just like, oh, like all the shit used to not be here. I should be doing this off gear on, bro. Oh, it feels weird riding. Everything on the bike feels weird, man. Yo, let's take a moment. I don't know who the actor is or who. So the dude in Friends, one of the main characters, he recently passed away. Rest in peace. For all my people that watch Friends out there, I feel bad for y'all. He was a big impact on a lot of people, and he recently passed away. So, oh, I can smell the fumes. Dude, my bike is dirty as f. Teslas, ugh, they irk me. Teslas can kiss my ass. Yeah, I've missed riding a lot. I just can't wait till my fairings are in, so I could actually start fucking riding again like I want to. Turn on. Alright, I don't know why I'm doing that. Instantly regret it. Oh my god. Golden Retriever. They are precious. I just want a little squeeze them. You like that? Yeah. I bet you do. Jump! Oh! Did you hear me gun it right there? Yeah. I feel like that's why they're all looking at me.
They just pulled in.
They did. Yeah. Alright guys, we are finished up with I was just hanging out with my buddy Tristan. Hanging out, having some fun. But holy crap, it is chilly. Like very chilly. Woo. Woo. Jesus. What is that car doing? Get in the zone, auto zone. Bro, those people behind me at that red light, they are getting on my ass. Oh, I love these quick shifters, man. It smells like Badussy up in here. Alright, I'm low-key cold as fuck right now. Look at the birds. I hope he gets shit on. I'm just kidding. It's so cold! Oh! The temperature is progressively dropping real quick. Trying to be nice and let that guy over, but no. Jilly, jilly, jilly. Nice blinker. Thanks, dude. Oh, he saved me from running that red light, though. But yeah, that was oh my! I keep fucking shivering on these damn. My visor's fogging up so bad, dude. But that was it. Short vlog for y'all. If you like the video, like what you see, like my channel, like, comment, subscribe, show the support. I love you forever. Hopefully I'll tune back in. If y'all do, welcome. Other than that, I will catch y'all on the flip side, on the flip side, on the